From the students of Penn State Meteorology, here is your Penn State Campus Weather Service forecast.
Well, happy Tuesday evening, everybody. I'm student meteorologist Patrick Wright here, and it is another cloudy one. You know, one of those days where you can just sit there and grab some running shorts or running pants and, running over shirt and just sit down and lounge around today. And as you can see, the hat, hair, and the running clothes underneath my suit, we do have the clouds hanging around, so it was one of those days. So you can just sit around and get a little bit of work done and actually rest for a little bit. But 70 degrees as you walk out the door, dew point 61, visibility 10 miles, so you can actually see a distance at the surface. However, it is going to be another one of those days. 69 over in Clearfield, 65 over in Johnstown, and for the rest of the state, we do have 66 up in Erie, 64 down in Pittsburgh in the warm spot, 76 over in Philadelphia, and same thing in Allentown. So looking at your satellite and radar, well, westward, I should say, we do have mainly clouds, so it was a mainly dry day for most of western Pennsylvania, but we do have a few showers centered northwest of Harrisburg. So those will be moving towards the northeast and towards the Scranton-Williamsport area, so you might get brushed by a few showers in the coming hours, but we don't expect much to become of this. So with the future weather, we do have a few clouds hanging around tonight, so keep that in mind. But the temperatures will be relatively cool. So we do expect the possibility for a few sun breaks here and there, or I should say moon breaks overnight. Clouds will be hanging around. Winds coming out of the north, which will keep us pretty cool, dipping down to about the upper 50s for lows. And then by tomorrow morning, we do expect the possibility for a few showers mixing in with these clouds. So you may see some wet roadways tomorrow, but we don't expect anything too major. So with that, however, we do expect the possibility for a rumble of thunder. Other than that, a pretty calm day here in central Pennsylvania. So moving this forward to early Thursday morning, 12:30 in the morning, if you are up at that time, we do expect the clouds to hang around even until then. So with that, I'm going to take you over to Hurricane Florence. That is going to be the big story over the next couple of days because it will be making landfall at least around sometime Thursday. It is currently a Category 4 hurricane, 130 miles an hour, and it is going to be a strong one. So if you have any friends or family living in this region, please tell them to get ready now. This region will cover from the Outer Banks all the way down the coastline of North Carolina to even portions of the northern coastline of South Carolina. So please, as I said, now is the time to get ready. Don't lollygag, just get your things ready now, because this is not a storm to mess with. We expect it to be a Category 4 hurricane till at least just off the coast. So it will bring some damage to the Outer Banks and the North Carolina coastline. So I can't emphasize this enough, get ready now. Minimize your effects by the storm so you can actually recover quicker later on. So with that said, Hurricane Florence coverage will begin for the Campus Weather Service Thursday night. So we will be going on, not on air, but we will have some videos put out on social media and our Facebook and Twitter pages. So keep an eye out for those things. So we will keep you updated for as long as we can with the system as it makes landfall. So coming back home, 61 degrees for the low. Clouds hanging around tonight. Then tomorrow, well, 74 degrees. That's where I got the 4 from. Scattered showers around, maybe a rumble of thunder here and there. However, for the 7-day, we do begin to dry out later on in the week. However, we do have to get through a chance of thunderstorms on Thursday. 78 degrees for a high, 77 on Friday. More showers moving in, but then the weekend. That's going to be the questionable part because we do have the remnants. Now keep in mind, the remnants of Florence moving around the northeast. So we will be keeping an eye on that. However, we can't narrow it down just yet. So we do expect a generally mostly cloudy sky, maybe a few showers and rain spots mixing in by the weekend and into Monday. But temperature-wise, we should be remaining relatively level for most of the beginning of next week in the mid-70s. From the Penn State Campus Weather Service, I'm student meteorologist Patrick Wright. Make it a great day, everybody.